video. So today we have a special guest. I have my little. I have a special guest. I have my little chubby sister. So yes, this is your book that we just buy on Bonus.
Ate!
We just buy on Bonus. Look at this.
Ate, sa akin na lang yun.
So yeah.
Hello.
And my stuff is over here right
Ate,
there.
sa akin na lang.
This is my area and this is her area. So not because I am just bored for no reason. And my little sister has something. He has some pocket that I just gave her. And I have my Lisa Mueller. Just two. And my sister just pinatay niya ang aking electric fan for no reason. So I have two rulers and 13 notebooks. The puppet. What else you have? Some biscuit and some colors. Okay. Oh, he has two ruler too. He has two ruler. That one is rock and roll. And ito guys, itong binigay ko sa kanya notebooks na to. Binigay kong notebook sa kanya is, pang grade 3 ko pa to guys. Binigay ko na sa kanya. Wala naman kami masyadong, grade ko pala, wala kami masyadong sulat ka sa end of the day na yun. And this one. And yan, ito lang yung mga sinulat-sulat namin. Pero wala na siya. Kaya binigay ko na sa kanya. And ito naman tong science ko. I only just sulat this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Ate na!
10, 11 lang siya. Nasulat ko sa science ko.
Ate!
Para see. Her marker and some Legos. That's kind of weird. Where's your other?
Putin ko.
Nasaan yung isa mong kulay? Tsaka ito yun guys. Ito yung binigay ko sa kanya.
Putin.
And this is now my time to introduce my stuff because I have to put it here again. I mean, yung aking binili ko to ng my own money right now because papasukan na naman ng gamit. So yes, first I just show you the tool ruler, so I'm going to put it here. Namaya na lang yan. So yes.
Ate.
So unang-una is
Bakit hindi ka
I'm
pa
going to
susulat?
put my
Ate, sulat mo muna. Ate, sulat muna
iPad
tayo.
because I'm grade 6 right now guys. I mean grade 5 pala guys. Oh my God.
Sulat muna tayo.
Sulat ka na. So guys, nagsusulat na siya kasi malapit na siya magpasukan. Nung nasulat your body. And my marker because I need it. And some mini crawler.
Hindi ko naman. Ako
Mini
colors.
colors.
Ate,
My
bakit
own
hindi ka ba
pencil.
ako color?
And my Kurami pencil. case.
Other.
So yes, I have so many stuff. A pencil, and the other one is ball pens. And this patch is for some graph for my pencil. And I have Pentasas. So we're going to put it here now. Or should guess I should put it if my notebooks are done. My notebooks is 16. 16 siya guys. So I have orange, pink. Orange, pink guys. So ang kulang ko na lang is glue. And what else? Scissors. I mean, I have scissors right now. So let's put it here.
Ate Lindsay, pangit mo.
So yes. I have 16 notebooks and unfortunately I need some this one now. Do you guys know this? Do you guys know this? I need this because we have maths and as you can see all that. So we also need this. So fortunately I have 16. Oh my god, that's a lot. Eventually some notebooks again. I have 16 notebooks. What I'm going to do that? And I have notebooks up there in my jewelry box. I still have a lot.
Ate!
Yes? Wow, that's nice. Another notebook. So far we got 2, 4, we have 5, and we got 7. So guys, we have a 17. We got 7. Seriously. 7. 7. So may 7 notebooks tayo. Tanggal ko kasi yung isa kaya din sa loob.
Pagi!
What?
So, ako yan, di ba pink ko?
Hindi, akin to.
Hindi, pag ko yan, di ba pink?
No, that's yours na.
Ako na lang pag mo.
So I got 7 notebooks because I have a lot. I have a lot and some multiplication table. Ano?
Kakawa mo dyan, labas. Saan kakawa mo dyan, labas?
Naka-classmate ng Junjun guys.
Saan kakawa mo dyan? Dyan.
Nandito kasi sa bahay. Naglalaro sila.
Ate, Junjun. Junjun. Junjun.
7 and 9. So funny, I have 9. I have 9 books. Notebooks. I have no idea how much I need this. You see, I need spelling, reading books, something else, yes, whatever I need, just studying books. And some tests though. cool one. Oh yes, I forgot about this. Silly me. And besides, I have Tiger here with me too. So this is my bag right now. It's fully a lot of stuff. It's barely can fit. Gas is way too small. I wish I could just bring my big one. Oh yeah, I can. I can bring my big one again. So hold up and lipat ko na lang dun guys. Sa next part ng video, lilipat ko yung ilalagay ko dito yung malaki kong bag. Dito ko na nililipat yung bag ko. Ay yung mga stuff ko doon. Transfer dito ngayon. Transfer here. So, parang bukas na lang guys. Pencils. So, we're going to put it here now. Masira ka eh. Oh yeah, I forgot I have another book. What should I do? Put it here.
Ate, pawis ko na.
Oh, go open the fan. Go open the electric fan. Now put my ruler now. And my pencil.
Sige po. Open ko evan. Sukat na ako.
So this is the end of the video guys. See you for the next part of part 2 na ililipat ko na yung gamit ko dun sa malaki kong bag na nasa likod ko. So bye guys! Bye bye!
Hindi na pa tayo.